Hey, what's going on, guys? James with Blue Eye Tech coming here, wanting to give you guys a review of the Zhiyun Smooth Q gimbal. And I want to start off by actually talking more about the ability for it to actually basically follow you around. Now, while you're watching this, you might actually notice how the camera's kind of moving a little bit from side to side because it is following me. And that's one of the features I absolutely love about this, is I can basically just get up right now and the camera will just basically follow me wherever I go. So it's basically like I have my own little cameraman right there on my tripod. Now, I think that is amazing. Now, another thing I love about this gimbal is how stable it makes your videos. If you watch this video right here, I will show you how it looks without the gimbal, and I'll show you with it using the gimbal. Another thing I love about this gimbal is the ability to actually use time lapse, and not just time lapse, but actually motion time lapse. So say if I wanted to start at like one end of this pond behind me and actually end on the other and do a time lapse video, actually it will set that. All you have to do is just set where you want to start recording, set where you want the recording to end, and also set how long you want the duration of the video to go on for. Another thing this gimbal also has too is a USB port on the back. So say you want to be able to charge your phone or your tablet or whatever device you have with you while also being able to use it at the same time, you can actually do that. And you can see as I'm walking here, it's actually pretty stable. If I was using just my phone or just my tripod here, my little, then this thing would be shaking all over the place though. But with this gimbal, it actually comes out pretty smooth. And I can't really complain too much about how the video comes out. I think it comes out nice and crisp. And I don't know, but let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. This is my quick review of the Zhiyun Smooth Q. And as always, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.